Hello, my name is UK. I'm a member of Seabase, and I started to hack on this small project yesterday. It's called Yeah, Let's Do That. And maybe you know those situations where you sit around with friends and everyone agrees, let's do that, let's do that field trip, let's buy that nice person a gift that we all like, let's do a trip to a museum, let's do a trip to go skiing. So somebody has to like organize everything, and as soon as the person has organized everything, everyone chickens out. So everyone else chickens out, and so I want to solve that problem with building something like a personal Kickstarter. So imagine there's a group of friends who wants to buy UK a beer. So one of the group gets to let's do that, and sets up this pledge page, which looks like a minimal version of Kickstarter. So here you see right now there's 0 participants, there's still 2 days to go, and they want to get to 0.005 something Bitcoins, which yesterday would have been like something like €2 or €2.50. So what they do is they all go to this website, they hit the big pledge button. So here's the amount that you want to pledge. So at the moment I'm just going to cheat, and I'm just going to put this amount in here so that I will reach like the final amount immediately. So, and then I give my email and some return address in case something goes wrong. I'll just put something in here. It's on the testnet. And then I come to this page, and I use the great Bitcoin application, Bitcoin wallet, and so here's the Bitcoin wallet, and I just scan the QR code, and I hit send. So it says send 0.06 Bitcoins to this address. I hit send, and in a second you should hear. Okay, so now the money is received. And in the next 5 to 10 minutes, the bar will go to the far right, and we will hear another sound, and then the other page will show that that there's enough money for buying me a beer, and I will get beer. I will get the amount directly to my phone wallet, and I can go and buy a beer. So that was my little project, and that's it from me. Does anybody have a question?
Can you talk a bit about the internals, how you did it?
So there, in the background, there's the Bitcoin wallet running with the JSON RPC service enabled. So, and then I have a Python Django web service that just internally calls the RPC interface, and it gets the information, creates new addresses, and sends out money. So I don't know, how deep do we want to go? Do you want to see some code? Or
Yeah, sure, I have code.
Are there any other questions in the meantime? Since it's loading.
Yeah. How hard is the using like the Bitcoin wallet with Python Django?
It's really, really easy. So I can show you some basic things. So for example, let's close all this here. Can you read this?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, for example, there's so basically what you just need to construct is a URL that's basically http :/localhost your username and your password for the JSON RPC that goes into the Bitcoin configuration file, and then you just use this, basically this line. So get RPC address gives you this URL, and JSON RPC lab.server just gives you a proxy object for the JSON RPC library, and then you can just call the basically there's a web page in the wiki that lists all the available methods, and you can just call them like that. So for example, sending money to someone is basically just, oh, now the money is there. And you see, it's now deactivated because the project is complete. And in a few seconds, I should get money on my wallet here. So yeah, back to the code. So that's basically it. You say which address you want to send it to, how much money you want to send it to, and then there's a comment, and that's it. And all the other methods are really, really, really simple and basically the same. So.
What happens if you don't get the amount together? I mean, the Kickstarter is all or nothing.
Yeah, right. So if we don't get the money together in the desired time, then so that was what the refund address field was for. So in theory, it should send everything back to all the people, but I haven't tested that yet. There's code in there already, but it's I haven't tested it and I don't trust it right now. So
What should go wrong with the deal?
Yeah. and of course, right now there's no security feature in there. So yeah.
Yeah. Could it run as a decentralized application, or do you need a trust person who holds the money for the moment until the round is going?
Well, right now you need to collect the money in one central wallet. In theory, you could, I mean, if you have the central server that stores where all the money is stored, you could put it into some like distributed accounts. And if you know how much money is in the distributed accounts, you can also just check that. You can use the RPC library to just say how much money is in this wallet at this address and get the amount back.